together. La 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 la, heedless of the wind and weather. La 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 la.
So, do I want the nude color or do I want this red color? I got a little makeup on. It look natural, so I think I'm gonna go with this nude. But the nude sometimes make my lips look ashy if I don't put yep, the 20. If I don't put lip liner on and it got stuck in the top here, so that's what that look like. I'm gonna add a little color to it anyway. I don't know, I just feel like going to work today with makeup on instead of looking like a too plain Jane. Even out my blemishes and stuff.
I would like a pig for Christmas.
That's it? That's all you want? Because when Zane making known what he want for Christmas, he said it's all he want. So all you want is a pig?
No.
Anyway, we going to MarMar first day of his new school. Oh, people want to know, did you learn your lesson about calling people apes and stuff?
You post that video?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Did you learn your lesson? Was it? So, what are you gonna do now? Since you can't call somebody an ape, will you call him a monkey or something? No, you're not name calling. Are you gonna take another picture of somebody?
No.
Are you gonna capture somebody's picture and then go sending it to people?
No.
Are you gonna be at school trying to have little roast sessions with the other kids?
No.
What you gonna do at school then?
Do my work.
Do your work. On the bright side of all of this, you get what? To do what again?
What you mean?
What do the school have that the other school did?
Nothing.
Sports?
More hours. Extra hour.
They got sports too, though.
Okay, but I don't like that extra hour.
Boy, you like school.
No, I don't.
Stop. When you don't have school, you be, man, I wish we had school. Man.
I like the education, not the school.
Anyway, I feel like I got something in my eyelashes. I'm still reading this book. Yeah, this is why I can't do mascara. It's gonna end up down here like I got a black eye. Gotta make sure I take some wipes to work with me. But I'm probably like, I don't know, 75% done with this Michelle Obama book. I can't wait to review. I just hope I don't forget all the things I want to say. I should be writing note cards down of the things that I want to mention. But when I do the book review, it's going to sound corny. I'd rather just talk. And I hope everything comes back to me that I want to say. This book is awesome. So awesome.
You know I like earrings too. Just a hint.
Alright, so I will talk to y'all later. I'm about to get him in school.
And first I was going to go with it.
I might talk to y'all before I go to work. I might talk to y'all when I get off work. Who knows? But I had time to come back home to make me something to eat. I'm getting ready to break my fast with some nuggets. Yeah, I know. Don't get on me. But I do drink this 30 minutes before I break my fast. This has greens, fruits, veggies, mushroom, and then it got some Slim Band stuff in it. And I also started back taking these vitamins. Some vitamins I bought like so long ago. They are actually 6 months past the expiration date. That's how long I had them, but they still work. So yeah, I'm okay with breaking my fast by eating some nuggets. I did get some fruits and veggies in through this, and I'll probably end up eating a salad or something at work, and maybe a fruit cup or something, as long as they don't put pineapples in there. I can have a fruit cup. So I just need to stick this over in a bowl somewhere. But while I do that, it's time to have some coffee. I already got cream and sugar in my cup. And today I am going to go with, oh, MarMar drank one of these. I think he had the mocha, peppermint mocha, which I can already imagine how that's gonna taste. It's not bad. I love the taste of cinnamon, so I think I am going to go for glazed cinnamon roll today. Oh, getting MarMar in school went well. I'm actually pleased with him going to the school because, like another thing I said, MarMar was not doing his part academic wise at the other school that he was kicked out from, which would defeat the whole purpose of him going to that school. He was going to do 5 years of high school compared to the 4 years of high school, but he also would have to do his high school work along with college credits at the same time, and MarMar wasn't pulling his part of the deal. So that's not why they exited him. But anyway, that was one of the reasons I was considering him going to another school. But I didn't. But I was letting him try to do better. And it was like a warning kind of deal. Do better or else I'm pulling you out of the school. And he said he would do better. So I feel like it was God's way of saying, no, he needs to be pulled out. He also wasn't getting a chance to do his sports that he liked it. And he was packing on the pounds. So this school, he will be back doing the sports, something that he loved. This isn't the school that I was going to switch him to, but he's still in a charter school. He's actually going to be going to school with the same. His principal at this school was a teacher at the school he just came from. So this guy had been working with MarMar since MarMar was a second grader. And there's also another staff member at this school. So I am pleased with this, to have a familiar face. Spoke with the principal about why he was terminated from the other school and his expectations at this school, along with MarMar telling him that he's going to do better and that he learned his lesson and stuff like that. Very satisfied. I did attempt to get worried, but I try to focus more on good things than bad things is how I keep myself going. So, yay. Oh, I forgot. Well, I can still do it. I'm using this app, Kim, that I seen you post on Fitbit. I was using this other fasting app and it let me know, okay, it's time to eat, not time to eat. But I seen you posted another app and I really liked that the app that you did is telling you how many hours it's been since you've been fasting. I really do like this app. Zero is the name of this app. I'm going to try to post it somewhere, or maybe I can put it on the community tab. Something I'll do. But anyway, I'm liking this app. So I now need to go into this app and say, hey, I'm breaking my fast. And it'll tell me how many hours I just fasted. I believe I'm probably like maybe 16 hours and 15 minutes into this fast right now. And I'm about to break it with this coffee. So I'm going to taste the coffee and then I'm going to have to talk to y'all later because I need to let the app know that I'm breaking my fast. Here we go. Please don't waste on my shirt. Please don't waste on my shirt. This is good. I taste the cinnamon. Very good. Wow. I should just start putting cinnamon in my coffee or something, because that tastes good.